How to save your recipe on Reddit. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will teach you and show you how to do this. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit and open it. And after this, when your Reddit is opening, you will just go here to your profile icon. You will click on it and then you will go to Reddit recipe or recipe. Then you will just go down and you will click share your recipe here. And when you will click, it will give you like a lot of option. Sorry, you will click save here and it will save. And that's it. And now I will open it on gallery and this is my recipe. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our channel and see you next video.